don't know what to get your picky teen daughter or son, for that matter, for Christmas, we've invited Bling's store manager, Teen Bling as well, Sharon Beckford, and she has the answer. Good morning.
Hi, Simone. How are you doing?
You have a big answer. Get them clothes or jewelry and buy it at your stores.
Exactly.
Because you're having a blowout.
It's past blowout. I think it's mad.
Blow
Crazy.
up.
Blow up. Aye.
Turn up.
Turn up.
And
Exactly.
Okay, and this is at both stores.
Both stores.
Teen Bling is where?
Teen Bling is in Sovereign on the main floor.
And Bling is where?
And Bling is Lane Plaza in Halfway Tree.
And what you say you're giving the people?
Okay, let's start. Today is Friday. And usually on Fridays, which is an ongoing episode, we'll call it, we have Bargain Fridays. So that's an ongoing thing all year round. So it's effective even this Friday. Bargain Fridays is when you come in and you negotiate the price you want to pay. So you pick something up and you go, oh, I want to pay $100 for it, and then we kind of bargain and you leave with it. Okay? So that's ongoing.
Okay.
Okay, Saturday, which is tomorrow, the 21st, we're having a doorbuster. And what we're going to do is from 9 a.m. to 12, so it's only 3 hours. Everything in the store, the clothing, is $1,000 or $2,000.
What do you mean?
$1,000.
What do you mean?
What I mean? I mean like blouses, shorts.
For a grand?
Skirts.
Or $2,000?
A grand is a grand market sale.
Oh.
Grand market, got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And dresses, we have a little demo of the dresses.
Yeah, we have some models
for $2,000 and under.
This is from 9 to 12 tomorrow.
9 to 12
at
tomorrow.
Both stores.
Both stores.
50% off handbags and jewelry.
And as for the jewelry and everything else, handbags, jewelry, the red carpet gowns, everything that red carpet gowns we're so known for, 50% off. And not just 50% off, we have our buy one, get one free on our red dot, or buy two, get three more free. So it's not the, no. It's not the third one free, Sim.
Buy two, get three more free?
Yeah. So you leave with 5 and you pay for 2.
No, man, Sharon, you're serious? You're not joking?
Man.
That is that. And then Sunday, you're doing something crazy too?
Sunday, we take the same sale on Saturday over to Sunday from 10 to 8 o'clock. And the reason why we're doing the doorbuster tomorrow is that there are certain people who don't want to come if it's a one-day sale because they're going to say there's going to be too many people. So we're doing the early bird doorbuster.
All right. Wow. We're showcasing some of the fashions that you carry. We just saw one
These
model.
Are the teens.
Yes, midriff in now.
So a skirt like this, $1,000. A top like that, $1,000. No, serious.
No, I believe you. I know you're not joking.
The handbag, which is Juicy Couture, $1,000.
Tell me about some of the brands you carry, because Juicy is a nice brand.
Right, we have Juicy Couture, we have Wet Seal.
Thank you, Mama.
Okay, we have Wet Seal, we have Forever 21, we have Aeropostale, we have
Abercrombie.
We have Seduction, which is by Sirens.
All in ones, very trendy now.
Yeah, the romper is very trendy. We have lace rompers, we have cotton rompers, we have plain.
Tell me about the bag there, Becky.
The bag is actually a Wet Seal, OMG.
OMG,
yeah, and that will be like $1,000 also.
Oh, wow. Okay. Very cool. So she's accessorized by you as well?
Of course, definitely.
Quite.
Definitely.
Yes, so you see it. You don't have to show off. I see it. All right, coming up now.
Okay.
If you want a nice trendy party dress.
Yeah, this is a bodycon dress. So something like this will be like $2,000. So there's nothing. Actually, our regular price for the teen store, we have a threshold of $3,000.
Right.
So the normal on this would be $3,000. So everything all year round anyhow is under $3,000.
Wow, Becky, that's amazing.
But we figured that it's kind of tied to the economy, and we are seeing how the movement is as far as the shopping.
Thank you,
So
Mama.
I've decided to just blow it up, like you say.
But here's what's good about these two stores now. You can get your dress or your clothes in one store.
And this is like our little black dress.
Yeah.
And this will be a $2,000 number.
This is nice for that kind of event. I mean, party after party, young people will be going to this Christmas, so this is a hot one to wear. And Sharon, you will accessorize them right there.
Exactly.
So
and it's like half price, like I said, or buy one, get one free, or buy two, get 3 free. And
so
of course, don't forget the gentlemen.
Yes. Catch a swag, catch a swag. All right, turn it down, little now. Jeez, Sam. Man. All right, so talk to us about this now.
Okay, well, also we have for the men or the teen boys. Where you going so fast, Michaela? You can come back out together. After turning up the swag like that.
I'm telling you.
You just put out the fire? No, I can't do that.
So the plaid is in.
The plaid is in, definitely. And
Ripped
of course,
jeans, of course.
The distressed jeans, definitely. And the jeans will all be like $2,000. The tops like $1,000.
Jeans for $2,000.
Yeah, the men's jeans, and we have also H&M. We also carry H&M. Yeah, we have a lot of H&M jeans. So we basically carry the labels.
Very impressive,
the popular
Mama.
labels.
I love this top.
Yeah, isn't that fabulous?
Yeah.
Exactly. So that
I would wear that actually.
Exactly. That's $2,000.
Yeah. Very unisex.
Yeah.
Like it. Right. So you've got all the latest fashions.
Yes, definitely.
All the nice jewelry. From stainless to Swarovski.
Swarovski crystals. Everything clear out. Seriously. Empty the shelves.
So you're really emptying the stores, you think?
Yes, definitely.
You're crazy, you know
I know.
this. But
crazy
good.
I'm known for being crazy. Hello.
Well, craziness will make you money, girl.
Exactly.
That's all
Sorry
I'm saying.
for a grand market sale. $1,000, $2,000.
All
Grand
right.
market.
So tomorrow it's at 9 to 12 in both stores.
Right.
Team Bling in Sovereign.
On the main floor is the main plaza in Halfway Tree. That's where True Value is. Giving True Value a little plug here.
Of course. Now your friend there.
Okay, exactly.
It's all good. And then 50% off jewelry and other accessories, including
handbags, everything. Wallets, Swarovski, the works.
Everything. And then Sunday is the same sale,
thing,
but all day.
No. So the early bird people can do our doorbuster tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Your store, you're going to be overrun tomorrow and Sunday, but that's what it's all about.
Exactly.
You
working
are
with you,
a marketing
people. Working
genius.
with you.
Thank you, Sharon. Appreciate it. Thank you, models. We appreciate it. Teen Bling and Bling Bling's store manager, Sharon Beckford. Go check them out for the sale. Big sale this weekend.